Hi guys, welcome to Call of Hunger. Today we're making banana bread. It's a super easy recipe and the best solution to the issue of having ripe bananas at home. Start with peeling your rotty bananas. You can use fresh ones, but believe me, the taste with these ones is better. Smash the bananas with a fork. If they're fully ripe, they will crush anyway when stirring. Whisk together the eggs, the brown sugar, and the white sugar until the mixture turns whitish. If you don't have brown sugar, white sugar can be just fine. Add the bananas and mix. Add the melted butter and mix. Add flour, baking powder, and cinnamon. The cinnamon is optional, but I personally like the taste. Mix them all, then add the chocolate chips. Butter the mold and fill it with the mixture. You can add chocolate chips on the top as well, and then you finish by putting your soon-to-be banana bread in a preheated oven for an hour. Use a knife that helps you make sure it's well cooked. The banana bread's ready and it tastes so good. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like the video if you like the video for more videos.